po sa inyo ang ating book sale haul from Metro Town, Tarlac. Book sale in Metro Town, Tarlac. Ayan. Ayan. Nagpipili lang po naman tayo ng mga books that we buy from book sale, pero hindi pa rin po natin mapigilan natin. So this is by Harold Kushner. The Lord is my shepherd. So yan. So it talks about yan, Psalm, the 23rd Psalm. So yun ang focus ni Harold Kushner, the great author, ecologist, philosopher. And yan, the 28 blood sugar miracle. So how to control your diabetes in 30 days. Yan. And last but not the least, we have creative writing. So it's a journal with Kickstarter writing. So may mga drawing siya, tapos may mga prompts ka regarding the drawings. Yan. So you have to write your story, your interpretations. Yan. Kailangan kasi natin i-flex ang ating writing muscles po eh. Yan. So yan. It's a journal book. And so this is our book sale haul from Tarlac. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.